Are you frequently working remotely, but still needing to access test equipment? The MXO series oscilloscope makes this easy. Let's take a look. Simply open the web browser and type in the IP address. Now we have remote access to the instrument, allowing us to see and control it. Use your local PC to save screenshots and download waveforms, quick and easy, using the web interface. Cut and paste your results into your favorite documentation application. You can also use Tight VNC or other applications to see and control your scope remotely, and set up a password for security. Stay connected to your test equipment no matter where you are. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.